On Monday, Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari said Tesla will benefit if it manufactures its electric vehicles in India. Gadkari stated that all electric vehicles will be cheaper than petrol vehicles in India. On April 26, Gadkari said Tesla can manufacture EVs in India but not import cars from China. No problem if Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, is ready to manufacture in India. He said during the Raisina Dialogue that they should come to India and manufacture. Tesla was told last year to start manufacturing in India before considering tax breaks. Currently, completely built unit cars are subject to 60 to 100% custom tax based on engine size and insurance and freight value less or above $40,000. It stated last year's effective import tariff of 11% on vehicles over $40,000 was prohibitive to zero-emission vehicles. For electric cars, it demanded a 40% tax regardless of the custom value and 10% social welfare fee. Also, it would increase direct investment in sales, service, and charging infrastructure as well as global procurement from India.